Top of the morning to my Meta Ads freelancers. Looking for freedom, income, and impact. If you have experience running paid ads, including Facebook and Instagram, and you want to achieve more freedom, impact, and income, then keep watching this video. My company, PTS Marketing, is hiring remotely. And if you're disciplined, coachable, and ready to grow part-time, then PTS Marketing wants to hear from you. Hiring part-time paid ads experts who can run meta campaigns, meaning Facebook and Instagram campaigns, by following a structured SOP, which you'll use to manage real campaigns. You'll need to learn how to handle automations and track every lead from click to booking. So what you'll do is to build and manage Facebook and Instagram lead ads. You'll need to know how to write copy, set up lead forms, and connect Calendly and WhatsApp. Also, you'll need to be able to track leads and complete internal reports weekly, follow systems using video systems like Looms and SOPs, and also know how to use Google spreadsheets. What you need: you'll need a reliable PC, strong Wi-Fi, familiarity with meta ads, detail-oriented and systems-minded, and a willingness to learn and follow structure. You'll be able to have remote flexibility, real hands-on campaigns experience, mentorship, and opportunities where we train you each week, and other bonus opportunities for personal growth. We also set clear expectations and a structured workflow. We hire based on values, not hype. We understand that skills can be taught. So if you know how to run ads and you believe that you're good at it, then you're a perfect fit. The most important thing is for people who actually love what they're doing. So even if you're just okay at it, we will hire you and we'll train you. But it has to be something that you're passionate about and you love it. Because PTS is built on the GRAPE score values, which is God first, goal-oriented, results-oriented, above and beyond, patience, passion, effective communication, evangelism, and service. We want to work with someone who gets it, so you understand the role, pick up things fast, think in terms of data, right? And all the works. You can read through this to see what exactly we're looking for. You want to work with somebody who wants it, so you actually want the role, something that you're passionate about. You know, you love marketing, you love strategy, and you love making ads, and you own the outcome of what you're doing. Finally, we're looking for somebody who has the capacity to do it. So you've got the time, the energy, and the brain power to lead 13 plus client campaigns. You're focused, consistent, and committed to building real income, right? So these are the ideal personality traits. You can see it on the sheet. This is the role. The role is not for you if you have any of these traits, right? Essentially, the key responsibilities that you would need to do is to lead on discovery calls, develop an actionable ad strategy to achieve performance objectives, share insights and recommendations, coordinate with clients for approval and of strategies, budgets, and campaign adjustments. Right? You're building and launching the campaign, ensuring the campaign works and is aligned. Right? You're monitoring the performance, optimizing the campaigns every 7 days, adjusting bidding, targeting, and creatives. Right? And then you're coordinating the weekly report, which your paid ads analyst will be sending, strategic insights and recommendations, and the presentation of those reports to the client. Right? And you're going to be working closely with a paid ads analyst to coordinate on providing information on the account audit, their sheet, clients' return on ad spend sheet, you know, ensuring that automation setup is done correctly, and, you know, installing tracking for our clients. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Compensation, you know, you're getting paid for a full package. If you're doing the package by yourself, it ranges from 10 to 25,000 For the lead gen to lead gen plus, the paid ads to paid ads advanced, same things, 10 to 25,000 per package. And then if it's an agent split, which is the most common fee, the most common commission that we usually pay out, then the agent split is $7,000 per package, right? Starting at 7,000 all the way up to 15,500 per package. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So just read through this. If that speaks to you, go ahead and click the link and apply for this position, or the position that is a right fit for you. We move fast, so if you qualify but there's no immediate slot, you'll be added to our wait list and trained and kept active until a placement becomes now. Coming paid, we'll go ahead and get you in the first round of screening by sending you the link that you can actually access right away and apply for the position. All the best. Coming paid now.